This is الدرس الخامس والعشرون, and we are looking at drill 3, تمرين ثلاثة, of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, lesson 25. And in this lesson, you are going to arrange the words given to you in each number to make a complete sentence, meaningfully using each connector that is found in the sentences. Now, you do not need to add any additional words to the sentence that you are going to make. All of the words are there for you. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give you the English sentence of one of a way to connect all of these words meaningfully, and then you will connect the the words to make sentences. So in number 1, here we have, if you travel tomorrow, then write to me. In number 2, we have the word hafla, which is party. My wife went to the party. As for myself, I didn't go. Number 3, we have here al-qisas, which are stories, and tawila and qasira, long and short. I love stories, whether they are short or long. Number 4, here we have ummi, which is unlettered or illiterate. So here we say, we have my friend is illiterate. He does not read nor write, nor does he write. In number 5, here we have ya'tadir, which means to ask to be sorry, or to say one is sorry. So here we can say, if he didn't apologize to her, she wouldn't have attended the party. In number 6, we can say here tarji' is to return. So we can say, as for myself, I will return. Here, as for myself, either I will return or she will return. Or you could say you will return. So either I will return or you will return. That's better. Okay, number 7. Were it not for the doctor, the sick person would have died. In 8, we have muhandis, which is an engineer. So here we can say, my brother is an engineer. As for my sister, she is a doctor. Number 9, ash-sha'r is poetry. So here we can say, I love poetry, whether it's modern or ancient. Number 10, here we can say he will not sing at the party, nor will he dance. Number 11, here we can say either you will speak to her or I will speak. Number 12, were it not for his assistance to me, I would not have succeeded. So hopefully that will help you combine these words correctly in the right order to complete the sentences. Ma'as salama.